Hey, what's up, guys? Um, I'm gonna be cleaning up the bottom of this head. I got it flipped over. This is the front where cylinder one is. Um, I'm gonna clean up some of this carbon that's on here. Any like loose material. Just gonna scrape it off. Um, so when I took apart the engine, took out the pistons. Well, once I got to the pistons, I noticed that on piston number 6, there's a little damage on the top. It looked like something might have exploded or fell off, damaged the top of the piston, and it damaged this part of the head right here. It looks like a spark plug electrode. Yeah, it kind of sucks. Some here, you can see some damage right there, and just a little bit back here. I don't think there's any on this side. Oh, just a little bit on this side. Yeah, it kind of sucks. Hopefully the machine shop can tell me what I need to do with that. Hopefully I don't need to get a new head, because that would suck. But I don't think that will cause too much of an issue, except for the metal sticking out. That's horrible. I got the pistons in a box, and show you the top of the piston of number 6. As you can see, the damage on the piston, it's not pretty. Not pretty at all. So yeah, got some wear in it. I think it was just piston slap. Checked the bearings, and when it was still attached to the crankshaft, I didn't get any of a loose bearing feel. So I think all I heard in the engine was a little bit of piston slap. Yeah, I got the block right here. Still got the crank in there. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna clean all this up and see what's going on. I don't want to touch that. I'd rather show the machine shop, have them deal with it, tell me what I need done. But yeah, it's quite dirty. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking, do some work. Alright, guys, I'm at a little update point. I'll show you. It's looking a little better. I don't want to go too much. I'm gonna get the head decked anyway. I just want to get most of it off. I didn't touch this that much. I didn't want to damage my razor blade since I still have some more gasket material to take off. But over here, my EGR cooler, the bolts were super loose on it, and that's what it looks like back here. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's supposed to look like. I might be wrong though. First time pulling it apart. We'll see what's going on here. See if I can take this off. It's super crusty. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that's just all built up. Okay. Yeah, it's nasty looking. You guys might want to see that. So, I'm going to pause it, move my stand over here, see if I can get a good shot on that. Alright guys, I got it repositioned. Now, let's scrape that off. Alright guys, there we go. There you have it. That made a lovely mess. There's mostly gasket material that was stuck on there, but there's a lot of carbon built up in here. Yeah, look at that. Delicious. You can hear it too. Yeah. So that's that. I'll definitely have to go through and really clean that out. Probably do it off camera. Anyway. Yep, there's that. Let's see. I'm gonna try to scrape some of this around here. If I can't get a lot of it off, I'll just stop. Yeah, actually, never mind. There's no way I'm gonna get around all that. It's tasty though. Anyway, here we go, guys. Alright, there it is for that video. I'm probably just going to go over this part of the block right here. Clean up some of the gasket material right there. And then I'm going to call it a night. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Anyway, you guys have a good one.